What is going on, guys? Today I have the new Astral Radiance set, and these artworks are super clean. Wow. I don't know which one's my favorite. Well, let's get into these, shall we? Let's go. I will start with this Typhlosion. Here is the code card, upside down code card. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3. Oh, let's go. Okay, well, I think I'm gonna screw this up. Yep, and forgot. Yep. Well, wow. Look at that Hisuian Samurott V. That is beautiful. Wow. This set does have some beautiful cards, but let's just go through these. The artwork in this set is beautiful. Like, look at that Scyther. Wow. Can you look at that? That is insane. Wow. Some whitening at the top, but that's besides the point. Let's get in this next pack, though. Like I said, wow, that artwork. I forgot that there were those cards in this set. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front, and it's gonna be a fire energy. I guarantee it. Oh, Leaf. God, these cards. I've said it 7 times already, but the artwork on these is just beautiful. That is a sick Ponyta. Look at that. Wow. And a non-hollow Basque Legion. Wow. I can't believe it. Even the pack arts are beautiful. Yeah, guys, I'm trying to get to 100 subs. Keep doing these shorts every day, so this'll be the, Pokemon cards every day till I reach 100 subs. If you guys could like and subscribe, that would be greatly appreciated. I'm trying to grow this channel. Fighting energy. I want to grow this channel. Psyduck, Petilil, Stantler. Wow, look at that. And we do have something on this one, so. And a Cleaver V. Nice. Set those to the side. Palkia. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. We're gonna do a fighting energy again. Dang, fire. Let's hope I get this fire pull, though. Am I right? And a non-hollow Thievul. Okay. We have one more pack. Let's get into this one. We'll hit it with the code card. We'll do 1, 2, 3, and we won't get an energy. We'll do 3 to the front. Wait. I thought it was, okay, whatever. We'll just go through these. I don't know. I thought it was 3 to the front when there's that V-Star card. Oh my god. That's Cyndaquil? They should have made a hollow Cyndaquil on this set. That is a cool Cyndaquil. I like the colors on this set. Like, the colors are just vibrant. And a Ursaluna. We're going to end on Ursaluna, huh? I bought one of those three-pack blister packs, and this Sylveon came in it. It's kind of cool. Hollow Sylveon. So these are our pulls out of those packs. We got a Cleaver. Oh, that's not a pull. I don't know why that's in there. but and a Hisuian Samurai V. Beautiful card, if I do say so myself. Alright. Well, yeah, that's been the video, guys. You know what? Should we open one more pack? I'm gonna pull out a random pack, reaching in my bin here in my truck, and we got a Chilling Reign. So let's do one more. Last pack. If I could open it. Last pack. Let's see what we can do. Let's see what we get out of here. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. We got a Fire Energy. Lightning. We're going to end it on a non-hollow Aggron. Well, like I said, that's been the video, guys. Please like and subscribe. I'm trying to grow this channel, like I said, to 100 subs. I think I'll do a giveaway. If we reach 100 subs, I'll do a giveaway. I'll do a giveaway. I'll give away a few packs. If I can get 100 subs, I'll give away a few packs. How about that? Trying to grow this channel, like I said. But how fire is this artwork? But, yeah, guys, thanks. Please like, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Peace.